Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a CTA pop-up timeline action using AStream. So first, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're already logged in, let's open the timeline you want to create the timeline action for. And from here, just click on Create Action from the upper right. Just like the auto chat to audience action, the CTA pop-up action, the time should be set within the webinar time. So for this example, I'll be setting it a minute after the webinar has started. So let me just set that up for you real quick. And from here, we'll be selecting registrants and then a stream. And again, since we will be creating a CTA pop-up action, let's select it from the drop down. And as you can see here, we need to select the type of CTA pop-up. So you can select either iframe, lower third, presenter level, or sidebar. For this example, I'll be selecting sidebar. And here are the fields we need to fill out. So we need to put in the headline. We need to select the image or the logo that we want attached to our CTA pop-up. And then, for example, for the image, we need to select this one. And then we can also add a subheadline and then an additional text, button text, and then the CTA URL. So I filled it all out for you. So for the headline, this is what I typed in. And then we already selected the logo or the image I want on the CTA pop-up. And then the subheadline, additional text. For the button text, I typed in click here and then enter your CTA URL here. Once you're done with everything from the bottom, let's scroll back up and you can see here the hide pop-up section. You can enable it and then enter the time when you want hidden, or we can just disable it. So for the purposes of this video, I've disabled it. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on create. And we have successfully created a CTA pop-up action using AStream. That would be all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.